packing box, storage bag, manual, watchpan, multimeter, complete accessories. Battery installation. Remove the back battery compartment cover and put into our batteries. Press the button and select the acidity and time. Then la multimeter. Put also a perpetual calendar. Switch to alarm mode. Set alarm time. And their reminder will be issued when the miss up. Real-time display of temperature and humidity. Always pay attention to the changes in surrounding temperature. Connect watch pen to the current port. Direct current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the 9 series on info deo. Alternating current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the 9 series on info deo. Mad current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the 9 series on info deo. Mark current. Switch to the corresponding ground. Connect the 9 series on info deo. Voltage. Switch to the corresponding and watchpan corresponds to the positive and negative electrons of the battery. A voltage, and the general household voltage is around 220 V. Resistance. Switch to the corresponding and the stylus can contact with sensor for resistance. Buzzer. Switch to the corresponding ground. The on-off beep. A beep indicate normal and unobstructed, and a sullen sound into the marge. Diodes. Switch to the corresponding gear, and watchpan corresponds to the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Capacitance. A short discharge is required for the test. Switch to the corresponding gear, and watchpan can contact with ends of the capacitor. Frequency. Switch to the corresponding ground operating zone info deo.